The studio lights of The Tonight Show flickered, the audience's nervous laughter died in their throats, and the carefully crafted facade of celebrity bonhomie shattered. Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex, stormed off the set, his face a mask of barely contained rage, leaving a stunned Jimmy Fallon and a visibly unrepentant Mark Ruffalo to navigate the wreckage of what was supposed to be a light-hearted promotional appearance. The catalyst? A scathing, unscripted critique from Ruffalo, who, with an almost chilling composure, declared Harry a finished man, a pronouncement that echoed through the shocked silence of the studio and, within minutes, across the global digital landscape. This wasn't a carefully orchestrated PR stunt gone awry, it was a raw, unfiltered clash of personalities, a public implosion that laid bare the simmering tension surrounding Harry's post-royal life and his increasingly controversial public persona. The incident unfolded during what was intended to be a jovial segment discussing Harry's latest philanthropic venture. Fallon, ever the amiable host, attempted to steer the conversation towards lighter topics, but Ruffalo, known for his outspoken activism, seized an opportunity to address what he termed the elephant in the room. He began by acknowledging Harry's efforts, but quickly pivoted, stating, "With all due respect, Prince Harry, your story has become a cautionary tale. A tale of squandered privilege and a desperate attempt to manufacture relevance. You've traded the weight of royal duty for the fleeting glow of celebrity, and in doing so, you've become, dare I say, a finished man." The audience gasped. Harry, initially attempting to maintain a strained smile, visibly tightened. His eyes, usually radiating a carefully cultivated vulnerability, now flashed with anger. "Finished?" he retorted, his voice laced with venom. "Finished by what? By choosing to live my life on my own terms? By refusing to be confined by archaic traditions?" Ruffalo, unfazed, pressed on. "By alienating your family, by airing your grievances in a relentless, self-serving media campaign, by reducing your royal heritage to a commodity for podcasts and tell-all memoirs. You've become a caricature, a symbol of entitled grievance, and the world has moved on. The narrative has shifted, and frankly, it's no longer sympathetic." This wasn't a mere celebrity spat, it was a brutal dissection of Harry's public image, a dismantling of the carefully constructed narrative he and Meghan had painstakingly built. Ruffalo's words, while harsh, resonated with a growing sentiment among the public, that Harry's constant barrage of accusations and revelations had crossed a line, transforming him from a sympathetic figure into a divisive one. The constant stream of interviews, the Netflix documentary, the memoir, Spare, each release, while generating headlines, seemed to erode his credibility further, painting a picture of a man perpetually aggrieved.